Hello, I'm Alex from formwork. Are you wondering what this tree means? This tree stands for more than 150 years experience in the production of formwork material. Let's start together our factory tour. The raw material for our props has arrived. This comes just in sequence. The machine checks itself, but we make random checks. This secures the quality. For 24 million running meters beams a year, you need a lot of timber. "100% tensile test of the flanges. We are the only ones." Now it's getting romantic. Flanges and web marry. And we have a special plus for you. With us you can draw from the pool. Off to Slovakia. I show you our panel factory. Ahoy, Tomáš.
Hello, Alex. Welcome to Banská Bystrica. Enjoy your tour.
Look, this is the perfect surface. Now you can see, not all the panels are the same. We are the only ones who destroy our products. Safety is our ultimate goal. Our logistics deliver every day top performance. 50 full trucks and up to 20 containers daily. And these go all over the world. Factory tour completed.
Haven't you forgotten something?
Interested? Become a trading partner of FormOn.